Why you in Jamaica just a shoot off the people them down there, man. And them a gun there on for fire, you know? And I make money. And none of them the gun there for take life, brother. Eh? And them a gun here. Them a gun here. No fear fire. And make money. And stop take life. You see? Everything where that they go to do this one here, do it, you know? But how money we are making with this one here? You get what I say? Stop taking people in life, man. And fire them a gun here. Trigger them on it to see him way. Fire them a gun here. And make money. And stop take life. If that fire see you like this in the arm and gun. I sound you like this have sound to you, man. Wow, you can't flank, see over here. You're cranky, load it. And you fire. Eh? And you make money see you here. You understand what I'm trying to say? Stop killing off the people them down there, man. And go look some work. Make money, brother. Why you want to do? Go to prison, go sit down. Eh? You don't want to little cage up place so you can't move. Stop killing off the people them down there, man. A real gun them a gun. As a money here, make the police now look for you. You get me? Take me foolish advice, man. Find some of them a gun here. Go fire and make good money. And stop make kill off people down there. Innocent people all are dead too. Eh? What wrong with the youth? Eh? Fire them a gun here, man. Them a gun here and no fear fire. What wrong with them? Eh? Sick and tired every minute me look on social media and on the news. Me say, boy, they shoot up one place over there, so. Baby are dead, old people are dead, young people are dead, innocent people are dead. What wrong with the youth? We don't have no meds. Eh? We don't have enough meds. This are the real gun on the fire, man. This are the real gun. We don't have this, no police now look for you. No. You get what I say? No police now look for no money you know I make. Right? You don't need no license for them. You get what I say? I don't need work license for this. You don't need no FLA license for this. Work license you need for this. And you have put food by your table. Money in your pocket and money in your banks in your way. You drive nice car, you build nice house. Stop taking people in life. See good gun here? Put money in your pocket. I'm out.